Is that truck?
Yeah.
Is that truck?
Yeah, it's truck.
Wow, you picked that your hours?
Yeah, we finally got it after all this time.
Look at you, your shoes 9 hours.
Should we try to take it out? How does this all got in here? What have we got in here? You want to help me?
Can't reach it.
You can't reach it?
Yeah, it's too heavy.
Too heavy. I think we got one more thing here. It's a box with a controller.
Nope. Not trolley.
We got zip ties in there.
Zip ties in there.
Should we cut that too? Should we cut the zip ties?
Wow! Look at the truck.
Yeah.
It popped a balloon.
Yeah, that sounded like it popped a balloon, huh? Gotta turn it around this way. Watch your fingers. You have to do the front here too. Okay. Yeah.
What's this big? What's that?
This is it. This is what we've been waiting for. That's what we've been waiting for. I guess you can take that off if you want to. I guess you can crush that if you want. You've been waiting for a long time for that, huh? Toss that over there. Let's get this up here. See what she looks like.
Wow, what's this guy got?
Yeah, we gotta get a couple pictures here.
What do you got here?
What do you got there?
What's that? Oh, tracks.
Careful, Lincoln. That zip tie poke your eyeball. It'll poke you right in the eyeball. Opening the bag. Careful with those scissors. That's too sharp, Henry. No. I'll have that, okay? Yeah. Cool, huh? You got some stuff in there? That's okay. You put that up there? Good job. It's okay. Oh, I know. You're so sad. Do you want your box? Do you want your box? The controller box? Okay, that's not nice.
No, leave it.
Okay. All right. I guess we'll end it here.
Not nice.
Okay, buddy. I'm sorry.
Leave it.
Okay, fine. Okay.